Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. Today's video, I am creating this pink smoky eye, pink like brown smoky eye, because it's still fall, so I thought I'd do this look for you guys. And I paired it with like this neutral like brown look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as please subscribe. Also comment below what you think about this look. And if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. I actually came about this look while I was scrolling through Pinterest. I'll pop a picture up maybe somewhere on the screen so you guys can kind of see where I kind of got this inspiration from. But yeah, I was like, I couldn't really figure out what I really wanted to do as far as a makeup look. So I went on Pinterest and I just typed in fall makeup look, and this look in particular kind of caught my eyes, so I kind of like recreated it. If you guys want to see how I got this look or how I recreated this look, then please keep watching. So first I'm starting out with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking that hot pink shade. I'm using a Morphe, I want to say it's an M45441. I think it's a 441 blah, 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 brush. Actually, I forgot to brown my lids first, so that's what I'm doing there. Then I'm going back in with the hot pink shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm just packing that shade in first and then blending it out. I feel as if you get more definition and color payoff when you do this. So that's what I'm doing here, you know, packing on and blend, until you get your desired shade that you would like. Then I'm going in with a clean blending brush. This is again by Morphe. Not sure what brush number this is, but just, you know, blending out the harsh lines that I might have appeared while I was packing and blending that shade. Then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just packing that dark burgundy shade right underneath where I packed that red shade on to kind of give more definition to the eyes. I'm like blending on the outside and then, you know, kind of like bringing it inwards a little, like my outer V. Sort of cut my crease. It's kind of it's gonna be like a halo eye type deal thing, where I'm gonna kind of draw the concealer in the middle of my eyelid. That's what I'm doing here. Then I'm taking a like tapered or like a flat brush, I should say, and just blending out those harsh lines of that concealer once I got done drawing my like semi halo, whatever you want to call it, just so everything kind of like looks seamless. Then I'm going back in with that Huda Obsessions palette, and I'm taking that gold shade and just pressing that into the concealer. I did not set my lids either. I feel like you get better payoff when you don't set your lids with pressed glitters like this. And with the M502 palette, and I'm taking that gold shade and just packing that on top of where I packed that gold shade, or darker gold shade, bronze, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna go in with that more tapered brush and just kind of blend everything together, making sure everything is like super like depth and well blended. I know I keep saying that, but I feel like a lot of makeup looks you just pretty much blend. I'm going in with the now Maybelline Master Chrome corrector. I'm going over my areas of my face that I have like, you know, hyperpigmentation. I do have a birthmark down there, so I just kind of blend that color corrector out in that area so that it's not, you know, being seen once I do put my foundation on. Then I'm blending that out with a Real Techniques sponge. Not sponge, that's not a sponge, that's a brush. I'm going in with the Milani 2-in-1. I believe this is Golden Tan. This is like a 2-in-1 foundation concealer or something, but it's like really full coverage, which I really like. And I'm going in with a Real Techniques. I don't know what specific brush this is, but I just know it's by Real Techniques. I'm just like pressing the foundation into my skin. I don't want to swipe, because then with all this foundation, all the foundation is pretty much just going to slide everywhere. So I prefer pressing this into your skin. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline Illuminator. I've already apparently, I don't know if I applied concealer underneath my eyes already, because it looks like I've already contoured and all that bullshit. So yeah, I don't know if my camera didn't record that or what was going on, but right here, I am just putting the concealer underneath my eye area. I seen this trick, someone was doing it on YouTube. Like, it brings like more lighter colors that you put underneath your bottom eyelid or whatever. They're like super bright. So I'm taking all the colors that I pretty much used to create this look on my top lid, and I'm just dragging those on the bottom with one of the same brushes. Actually, I had to change my brush because, sis, that first brush, it was just too much. Like, I feel like I didn't have control. I'm taking this black opal eyeliner brush, and I want the look still to kind of look, you know, like sweet in some sort of form. So I'm just like tight lining my eyes with this brown eyeliner that we got going on. Then I'm going in with these Dodo lashes. Super affordable if you guys are looking for affordable, beautiful lashes. I apply those actually off camera. And then I'm taking the NYX lip liner in Cocoa. This is like my favorite. I think I line my lips with this like every lipstick that I probably use. Just lining my lips with this. Again in the shade Cocoa. Then I'm taking this Urban Decay lipstick. I think it's called Wicked or something. I'll be sure to list that down below. This is like a comfort matte, so it's not like super drying to your lips like a liquid matte lipstick would be, which I really like. And I'm just blotting that on my lips. Then I'm going back in with that lip liner just to kind of fill in any spaces that I might have missed while I was applying that lipstick. Then I forgot to show this, but I was actually using the Maybelline Master Chrome, you know, drugstore highlighter. And I like using this small Real Techniques brush when, you know, doing it. I feel like it just makes it come out even bolder. I'm using this Mally lip gloss. It's like a brown, like shimmery lip gloss, and I just thought this would like look really good with this look, so I decided to pair it with it. I don't usually go for like a brown lip like this. I'm usually like a nude type chick, but this looked kind of cute. Then I end up like slicking my edges down with either like Hicks or like 24-hour tamer. I can't remember what it is, but when I have a weave, I like to wear my hair behind my ear. Let me know if you guys do that down below in the comments. I think that's, I don't know, people are like, what? I'm like, I don't know. They're like, it doesn't look like it's your real hair. I'm like, well, if you slick them baby hairs down, yes the hell it will. So that's what I'm doing here. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Take care.